Namaskaram and welcome on this festive day of Sankranti to you to the Harmony Sunrise live sessions brought to you by Harmony Swasthya Community. Harmony Swasthya Community is a group of or is a team of passionate individuals who are focused on supporting every individual in India to achieve optimal health and maintain it throughout their lives. Most of us already know, if we ask any individual how, in order to stay healthy, what is it that they should be doing, they will have give some kind of an idea about it. Even with that minimal knowledge that they have, if you ask them that how often should they do it, they would say, okay, every day we need to maintain this kind of a lifestyle, or in other words, the habits that we need to develop. However, we ask the next question, hey, are you following all these guidelines of what you think is going to keep you healthy? So far, in my interactions with individuals, it has always been, no, I don't do it. Right. Now, we all understand. Doctor? Sorry? Okay. All right. Let me just check it up, doctor. Give me 2 minutes. Okay. So, sorry, there was a technical glitch and I need to attend to that while we are bringing. See, we are bringing all of whole of this program from our homes, our living rooms to your living room or to your homes. We want to ensure that each and every single person lives the life in an optimal way. Right? That is where the part of it. So now this is a program where you need to participate. You need to develop the habits. So you will be led through different segments to take so that you can start taking control of your mind and start taking control of your body. That's what is the purpose of we creating this service. And please also you can you can also invite the other people. So it's now 6:15 and we started. Let's begin with the intention setting.
Thank you, Mr. Anand. Good morning, everyone. Namaste, Shubhodaya. I am Jairam Reddy. Let us start our day by setting intention for a healthy and productive day. Intention setting is like charging our body and mind for the rest of the day. Please sit comfortably and keep your back and neck straight. Close your eyes. Bring your focus on your breathing. Inhale deeply, then exhale slowly. Once again, inhale deeply, then exhale slowly. As you breathe deeply and slowly, you are entering into a deeper state of relaxation. Every time as you breathe in deeply, you are allowing relaxation to seep into your body. Every time you breathe out slowly, you are releasing all your stress from your body and mind. Let us set the intention for a healthy and productive day. Visualize how you want your body to be healthy and energetic. You are healthy and energetic because you are following the foundation principles of health. You are what you eat. You choose to eat healthy, nutritious food. We always have adequate restful quality sleep which heals and recharges your body naturally. You enjoy physical exercises daily. You move your body every chance you get. You drink 8 to 12 glasses of water daily and keep your body well hydrated. You always choose to have a positive mental attitude. You are healthy because you are following these fundamental healthy principles on a daily basis. Now, visualize yourself having a very productive day by managing your daily activities very well. You are enjoying this visualization. You are feeling great and blessed. Let us give gratitude to God and your body for this wonderful life. While completing this intention setting process, please bring your focus back to your breathing. As I count up from 1 to 5, you start being aware of your surroundings and be in the blissful state. Here I start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Open your eyes and become the wide awake, feeling healthy, happy, and abundant. Thank you. Be blissful.
Good morning, all. Thank you, Jairam sir, for those wonderful intention setting. So today, let's see the wisdom and affirmations for the day. Wisdom of the day. I'm Venkatraghavan. So let's start the wisdom. A balanced diet is the best medicine for a woman's well-being. I repeat, a balanced diet is the best medicine for a woman's well-being. Let's see the affirmations for the day. Let's start with the affirmations that is practiced by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Before doing it, take out your right palm, keep it on your chest, and repeat along with me. I'll be repeating all these affirmations 3 times each. So just follow me and repeat it. I'm the best. I can do it. God is always with me. I'm a winner. Today is my day. One more time. I'm the best. I can do it. God is always with me. I'm a winner. Today is my day. One last time. I'm the best. I can do it. God is always with me. I'm a winner. Today is my day. Now, let's see the affirmations for the theme of the day, that is role of nutrition in women's health. Let's start. I choose foods that support my body, mind, and spirit. I choose foods that support my body, mind, and spirit. I choose foods that support my body, mind, and spirit. Let's move to the next one. Every nourishing meal I consume is an investment in my overall well-being. Every nourishing meal I consume is an investment in my overall well-being. Every nourishing meal I consume is an investment in my overall well-being. Now, take out your right palm, keep it in your normal state. Repeat these wonderful affirmations and wisdom daily. Let this resonate in you. Thank you. Namaste.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you, Mr. Venkat. This week focus is on women's health. So let's do a yoga flow for women, which is very beneficial for women's health. I'm Nanjapa. I'm your yoga instructor for the day. Many of these asanas are very, very beneficial and useful to women's health, especially the reproductive health. And if you practice this daily, especially from a very small age, you can tackle most of your um, um, issues like menstrual issues and all. So let's sit in Sukhasana. Keep your back straight. Let's take 3 deep breaths. When we breathe in deeply, we need to fill, the belly should pop out so that your lungs are full of air. And when you're breathing out, just your belly should go in and exhale everything. So let's deep breathe three times. Now let's do Baddha Konasana, which is also called the cobbler's pose or butterfly pose. So bring both your heels and let touch each other, and place both your palms, interlock it, and then place it underneath your toes. Bring it close to your pelvis, and you feel a deep stretch in the inner of your thighs. Then slowly flap both the legs. Now, next let's do the rock the baby pose. Hold, place your leg, one left leg parallel to the mat, and then now lift up the right leg and hold it with inside of your elbow, both the hands, and lock the hands so that the right hand is supporting your knee and the left hand is supporting your foot. And lock the hands and then rock the baby. Rock your legs like a baby. This is very good for the hip mobility. Slowly rock the leg. Now slowly support the leg and place it on the mat. Now lift up put your right leg parallel to the mat, and then now support the left leg with both hands and slowly rock it. You will feel a deep stretch on your left hips. Slowly release. Now we'll do Setu Bandhasan. For that, you have to lie on the floor, lie on your back. Now bend both the legs so that the heels come near to your hips. Now, Setu Bandhasan is also called the bridge pose. Now you have to slowly lift up your abdomen region, and then you may even support it with your hands if you can, if you want. Otherwise, if you can support it without the support of your hands, you can keep the hands on the mat, or you can clasp it. The supporting, you can do this like this. Otherwise, you can clasp your hands on the mat. Take a couple of deep breaths here. This is also a very good asana for the thyroid. Release. Now, we'll bend the right leg and place your heel on the left knee and lift up the leg so that you make a figure 4 from your leg. And now you have to hold the left, thigh through the gaps and then pull it towards you. You feel a deep stretch on the right hip. This is a very good asana for sciatica. Take a couple of deep breaths here. Release. Now bend your right leg. Place the left heel onto the right knee. Lift up your right leg and through the gap, hold the thigh of your right leg and then pull it towards you. You feel a deep stretch on the left hip. Take a couple of deep breaths here. Slowly release. Now with the help of your hands, come up. Take the 4-legged position. Your palms are directly below your shoulder and the knees are directly below your hips. Now, bend your right leg. Lift up the right leg and bend it 90 degrees. Now, we are going to rotate the legs in the hips like this. We'll do it both sides, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay. So, let's rotate it for 5 times. First, let us go outside and, outside to inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll do the reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I will do to the other leg. Lift up the leg. First outside to inside. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now inside to outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we'll stretch one leg and the opposite hand. Let's stretch the left leg straight and the right hand. Keep it like that for a moment. Now we'll stretch the right leg and left hand. It may be a little bit challenging if you do initially for balancing. Slowly try to do that. Now we'll do Malasana. Malasana is a very good asana, especially for the reproductive area, and it is also very good for constipation. You can do it in the morning, which is very good, for excreting. Now it's a deep squat position. You have to completely squat. Your back should be straight, and you have to join hands with folded hands here, and your elbows should be both the elbows. When you straighten it, it should push the legs outside, so you feel a deep stretch on the pelvis region. So let me show it sideways. This is how you should be. Malasana. I have severe constipation issues earlier, but of course, after the gut reset program, I've been able to manage it pretty well. But I make sure I do this asana every day in the right after I wake up. And then I drink water in this pose. So it's very good. This asana, Malasana. So make sure that you're pushing your legs with the help of your elbows. Your leg should be slightly pointing outward. This is a beautiful deep squat. It is very beneficial, especially for the elderly, women, everyone in fact. Okay. Now, let's come on to we'll do Adho Mukha Virasana. So spread both your, sit on your heels and spread both your legs. I will take the resting position, bend on, and touch your head on the mat. Spread both the legs, both the hands in front of you in resting position. And now, in the gap of your legs, your stomach where the belly lies, and you can deep breathe. You can do deep belly breathing. Take 5 deep breaths here. When you deep breathing, your belly should pop out. Slowly come up. These are few asanas for today. Hope this helps. Have a great day. Thank you.
Happy morning. Namaste. I'm Dr. Girish. Let us discuss about the nutritional requirement or the role of nutrition in women health. Is there any requirement or is there any specificity in role of nutrition? Yes, of course. Every stage of your growth, the role of nutrition takes a vital role and which helps you in modifying your physiology. That means the body regular function, what we call, in a better way or the optimal way. We are always talking about optimal health. Okay, the role of nutrition in women health has got a lot of changes. First, till the teen age, both the male and female requires the same almost, like calcium, vitamins A, D, and all. D we don't supplement because children play in the sun in early days. Nowadays, it is very difficult because they sit with the mobile or with the TV and games and other things. They need to get exposed sufficiently for sunlight to get the vitamin D, which is very, very crucial for the developing age. So let us see what are the requirement in different stages of life. First thing, we'll talk about adolescence age, where the adequate growth and the development of each and every part of the body requires adequate iron, calcium, vitamin D. This helps in growth and development. Then comes the reproductive age. Once they complete their teenage, like nowadays it is 18 and above. Then we need sufficient, especially when the lady becomes a pregnant, it is always, advised to give her sufficient iron and folic acid. There is a actual national program also which is going on about iron folic acid supplement from third month and all. It is very, very adequate because the folic acid is the one which helps in the neural tube, that is the nerve tube formation in the brain and neural tube like spinal cord and other part. That is very, very crucial for the development of that. Along with that, they require a lot of supplementation of calcium, which is also very, very important during the pregnancy as well as in lactation part of it. And during menopause, definitely perimenopause and menopausal age, they require a lot of vitamin D, omega-3 acids. Omega-3 is very, very important for your heart health and bone health also. And as you become elderly, like aged people above 60s, you need calcium. That is same for both male and female. Calcium, proteins, and vitamin D. This helps, in development or retaining the muscle bulk, muscle mass, and helps in bone, instead of getting into brittle bones. What are the other ingredients which is very, very important? I'll just mention the names because time will be very, very short for that. You require iron, and which helps in avoiding the anemia part of it. You need calcium for the bone health and also avoid the risk of osteoporosis. You need folic acid for the neural and fetal development. You need omega-3 fatty acids for your heart health and also helps in reducing the inflammatory changes that happens. Vitamin D is essential for a lot of immune systems and mood regulation, serotonin and other things. Probiotics and prebiotics, which helps in gut health for the both growing age as well as in the pregnancy and elderly age. Then antioxidants, vitamin B and vitamin C, which is very, very important, which also helps in reducing the stress related oxidative changes that happens. Free radicals, which is causing a lot of damage, that needs to be taken care of. Then we require these healthcare supplements, which is helps in avoiding the obesity. It helps in polycystic ovarian disease, which helps in regulation of your menstrual cycle. Dietary factors are with high fat diet, tend to lead for your breast cancer and other risk, which needs to be given like an adequate nutritional package or the diet pattern, which helps in reducing all these things. What is the tips for them? Women category. Take whole food, instead of processed food, take the whole food. Don't depend on the fast foods and processed food. It's better to go for whole food. Take adequate rest. Take, all as we talk about 6 pillars of the life, we need to follow that completely. Sufficient iron and folic acid, calcium, omega-3 fatty acids are very, very important. To make the lifestyle, be active, do the exercises on a regular basis. It's not, as and when possible, completely on a regular basis. Make it as a habit itself. Consult the nutritionist and the doctor to get the adequate knowledge about these things. Okay. With this, I think we'll come to the end of the session. Thank you. Namaste.
Wow. Thank you, Dr. Girish, for those wonderful insights. So today, let's see the recipe of the day.
Z for Zero Oil Millet Salad, and this is the last episode of my A to Z salad challenge. सबसे पहले soak barnyard millet in water for 2 hours. Next, pressure cook it in salted water over low heat for 2 whistles. ठंडा करके add चना, cucumber, pomegranate and roasted peanuts. Dressing बनाने के लिए सारे ingredients को blender में डाल के पानी यूज करके अच्छी तरीके से blend कर लो. Pour it over the salad, toss it all together nicely, and you have just made yourself most delicious millet salad without oil.
Thank you.
Wow. Right. Thank you very much for every presenter today who has brought their knowledge and wisdom and shared with us and helped us to go through the exercises. And hope each one of you who are watching live right now or you watch this video later, please do not watch the video. Please practice along with it so that you can feel the difference within your own body and your own mind. Challenges will come, difficulties will come, like happened today with our Dr. Girish's connection. So we were able to go through with it and come out of it as winners only because we kept the mind calm. Now, and it is the same for any situation and every situation. Hope you have enjoyed today's program. And if you have liked it, please invite your friends, your family members to come and join here so that we can ensure that each person, we can support each person to become and enjoy optimal health throughout their life. Help us to reach out to more people. Thank you very much. I look forward to seeing all of you tomorrow at the same time. Thank you. Have a blessed and a great day.